providing feedback. This is well done. I value your input. This is a solid effort. This is a great start. I value your input. This is a good job. This is a solid job. I like your approach. This is a strong effort. This is a great effort. I value your efforts. I value your feedback. Your effort is visible. This is a great result. Your effort is evident. I value your hard work. This work is high quality. Your work is improving. This is excellent work. This is very thorough. Your analysis is sharp. Your analysis is sharp. This is well executed. I commend your efforts. I appreciate your input. Your effort is evident. Your work is very good. I value your input here. I commend your efforts. Your work is top-notch. This meets the standard. Your feedback is valuable. This shows great insight. I appreciate your initiative. Your presentation is clear. This work is high quality. Your research is thorough. This is impressive work. You've handled this well. Your feedback is useful. This shows great effort. You're on the right track. Your analysis is thorough. I commend your creativity. Your dedication is evident. Your approach is effective. Your approach is effective. Your solution is innovative. Your effort is noteworthy. I appreciate your hard work. This work is well organized. Your explanation is clear. I'm satisfied with this result. You've done a good job here. Your contribution is helpful. I like how you resolved this. Your creativity is apparent. You did a great job with this. Your insights are valuable. This meets the requirements. Your feedback is constructive. I appreciate your diligence. Your efforts are noteworthy. I'm happy with this outcome. Your analysis is insightful. This is a well-done project. Your initiative is appreciated. I'm pleased with this outcome. Your work is highly effective. I value your perspective. I value your perspective. This is a well-executed plan. I appreciate your creativity. Your work is of high quality. I'm pleased with your efforts. This is a well-handled task. This is excellent progress. Your dedication is clear. I appreciate your approach. This work is well structured. Your contribution is valued. I like your innovative ideas. Your feedback is insightful. This is a good job overall. Your solution is efficient. This is a well-done project. Your creativity is evident. I'm pleased with this work. Your effort is appreciated. Your analysis is detailed. Your feedback is helpful. I'm happy with this outcome. Your solution is effective. This is a well-handled task. This is a well-handled task. I commend your commitment. This is a solid piece of work. I'm pleased with your work. I appreciate your hard work. This is a well-executed plan. Your efforts are noticed. I appreciate your hard work. I like your thorough analysis. This is a well-executed plan. I commend your insights. Your work ethic is impressive. Your collaboration is effective. I'm happy with the progress. This is a solid performance. Your approach is effective. Your feedback is constructive. Your commitment is clear. I appreciate your dedication. This work is well organized. Your feedback is appreciated. I commend your contribution. This is a well thought out plan. This is a strong contribution. This is a strong contribution. I like your attention to detail. Your commitment is noticeable. I appreciate your effort on this. I appreciate your perspective. This is a strong performance. This is a well thought out plan. Your execution is commendable. Your execution is commendable. I'm happy with your contribution. I appreciate your thoroughness. Your contribution is significant. This is a very effective solution. Your commitment is commendable. Your timeliness is appreciated. Your solution is well thought out. I commend your performance. I like the way you approach this. Your attention to detail is excellent. This shows great attention to detail. This is an excellent performance. I'm pleased with your progress. I like the way you address this. Your contribution is significant. This shows great attention to detail. This shows great attention to detail. This is a good example of your work. Your dedication is commendable. I commend your attention to detail. Your approach is well considered. Your timeliness is commendable. Your engagement is noticeable. I like how you approach this task. I like how you approach this task. I noticed your attention to detail. You've made significant progress. Your dedication is commendable. I like the way you approach this. This is a good example of your work. Your approach is well considered.